Hi, my name is Amanda, and today I want to talk about lectins. I've been getting a lot of questions recently on lectins and the fear of eating plant foods. I want to clear up the confusion and explore ways that we can minimize lectin exposure by how we prepare our foods that we eat. So what exactly are lectins? Lectins are protein found in plants, and they act as tremendous defense mechanisms, often referred to as natural insecticides. The majority of lectins are found in the outer layer of a plant seed, which is the embryo of a plant. Naturally, a plant wants to protect its offsprings, and it uses lectins to do so. So why exactly are we concerned about lectins? Our digestive tract does not have the ability to digest lectins. So when we consume a diet that's high in lectins, what can happen is the lectins can stick to the small intestine, leading to poor absorption of vitamins and nutrients. And worse yet, it can actually cause a cascade of events that occur because the body detects it as a foreign invader, which ultimately leads to inflammation within the body. Now, does this mean we should avoid all plant foods? Unless you're planning to start eating a carnivore diet, which I do not recommend, it's going to be virtually impossible for you to eliminate all lectins from your diet. Now, the good news is the body is super smart and has its own defense mechanism in place. We have hydrochloric acid in our stomach, which can actually help break down some of the lectin proteins in the foods that we eat. We can also take additional measures in our kitchen. Today, I want to share with you 5 ways that you can help reduce your lectin exposure in the foods that you eat. So firstly, try to eat most of your vegetables in its cooked form. This doesn't mean you can't eat any salads, but just majority of your vegetables. Secondly, try to peel the skin and remove the seeds of vegetables such as cucumbers, tomatoes, and potatoes. The third strategy when preparing beans and lentils is to first soak them, then sprout, and last but not least, pressure cook them before consuming. If eating tofu, try to look for tempeh. Tempeh is made from fermented soya beans, and it's great in sandwiches and stir fries. The fourth strategy is to look for blanched peanuts and almonds. Other nuts and seeds, such as pistachios, pecans and walnuts, Brazil nuts, flax and hemp seeds, are naturally lower in lectin content. Lastly, choose breads that have been made with sprouted wheat. Common brands include Ezekiel and Stone Mill. And there you have it, 5 simple ways to reduce your lectin exposure. So don't stop eating those plant foods. And until next time, relish every bite.